Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to get Trailhead. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To get started with Trailhead, simply head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in trailhead.salesforce.com. Then once you're inside here, next step is to sign up for a free account by simply clicking on the sign up for free. Then you can sign up using email address, Google account, LinkedIn account and Apple ID. The next is to start learning. Once signed in, use the search bar to find topics like Salesforce Admin, Apex, Reports dashboards, etc. Then click on the module Project or Trail to begin, then on badges by completing interactive lessons and quizzes. Then many exercises need a Trailhead playground, a free practice Salesforce organization. To get one, go to any hands-on module, then click launch under Trailhead playground, and the Trailhead will create and open a free Salesforce environment for practice. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.